Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change page size Word online. We will open the Word document online to see its current size. After this, in the Layout menu, click on Size. It will be possible to choose one of the default sizes. When you click on one, you will see the change in the size of the document. Additionally, you can open Size again and this time click on Custom Page Size. In the small window, adjust the desired dimensions for the page. Click on OK to see this change. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.